Cody Williams, live in Omapere, and my mahi is with Mahi A Tengatenga, and we do possum trapping. Been in the bush, been in the yeah. Getting up the next hill after you've been up it about 5 times. Yeah.
Trying to get people on board to your way of thinking, that's probably the hardest challenge.
Yeah.
Not everyone's got the same mindset when it comes to conservation. Some people don't really like the whole stigma of killing things too much.
Good to get the possum numbers down and stuff like that, stoats, cats, stuff like that, yeah, hopefully get those numbers down so the bush can thrive again, yeah.